Good afternoon, children. This is Shivalsa speaking. Children, as of now, we have been dealing with, we have already completed the syllabus for final term examination, and we have been dealing with the chapter simple equation, in which we will come to know about various ways to deal with equations and expressions. And here in this particular video, we will discuss about question number 4 and 5 of exercise 4.1. So children, here in this particular question number 4, so we are asked to write the equations for the following statements. We are given some statements and we have to convert them into equations. So let us have a look, children. So here in question number 4, we have got the question. The first one is, the sum of the numbers x and 4 is 9. Sum of the numbers x and 4 is 9. So if you convert this statement into equation, it will be x plus 4 is equal to 9. Because in the question it's mentioned that 4 will be added to x and the result will be 9. Similarly, the question number 2 is, 2 subtracted from y is 8. 2, the number 2 will be subtracted from y. So I'll have to write y minus 2 is equal to 8. Children, y minus 2 and 2 minus y, they are different. Because y minus 2 and 2 minus y will be given different answers. So as it's mentioned in the question that 2 needs to be subtracted from y. So it will be y minus 2, not 2 minus y. Y minus 2 is equal to 8. Now in the third question number 3, 10 times of A is 70. 10 times. So whenever we hear the word times in mathematics, they're talking about multiplication. They're talking about multiplication. So 10 times of A is 70 means 10 into A is equal to 70, or we can write 10a is equal to 70. There is no number, there is no sign between 10 and a, means it's in product. They are multiplied to each other. Same question, children. Question number 4 is, the number b is divided by 5 gives 6. The number b is divided by 5 gives 6. So I'll have to write b by 5 is equal to 6. Children, one thing we need to understand, that b by 5 and 5 by b, they are not mathematically same. They are different. B by 5 and 5 by b gives different answers. So b is divided by 5. We need to understand b divided by 5 resulting 6. In the next question, children, question number 5 is about the 3/4 of t is 15. 3/4 means 3 by 4. 3/4 of means into. T is 15 means resulting 15 means equal to 15. So children, this is how we have to convert the statements into equations. I believe it's clear to everyone. We have to deal with such kind of statements into equations in this pattern. Now in question number 5, we are asked to convert the equations into statements. Now just reverse work of question number 4. So the first equation is p plus 4 is equal to 15. So children, p plus 4 is equal to 15. If you want to write it in statements, we can say in this way. 4 added to p resulting 15. 4 added to p results 15. Results 15. Next one is m minus 7 is equal to 3. So we can say in this way, children. 7 subtracted from m. 7 subtracted from m results 3. Results 3. The next one is 2m is equal to 7. 2m is equal to 7. So we can write these statements in this way. The product of 2 and m results 7. So children, this is how we have to convert this equations into statements. The last one we could say p by 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. So we can say half of p added to 2, half of p added to 2 results 8. So this way, children, we can answer the following things. So I believe it's clear to everyone, as these were very easy concepts. If there is doubts and confusions, please feel free to speak to me and drop your queries in the comment section of Google Classroom as well as in the WhatsApp group. Till then, children, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.